Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a rich mansion tour. Now actually this is not her house yet, but it will be if she decides to get this house. Now the pool is not looking too great. Yikes. We have to have someone coming. But I don't have any people at the moment. Jeez. Okay, I forgot that the pool is so dirty, so we have to clean that up, but we'll do it later. Anyways, let's get to the tour. So basically, let's go downstairs and let's see the entrance. Wow. So she's going in, and this is what it looks like from the entrance. With the two little plants, not little, but you know what I mean. There's two plants, and there are two decorations which were from the wedding event. I really like them. They're actually my favorite decoration, to be honest. Like my favorite flower plant. They're like really nice. And let's go over here, which is the gaming area, I suppose. So this is where the chill out section, you know, where people game and stuff. So as you can see, I put the windows. I only put these windows because I like them, and they look aligned very perfectly, except for these because they're bathrooms. Like, why would I put a tall window for that one? But that's that. So the entrance is a little weird, but it looks nice from outside, and it is also a nice touch to it, I think. I don't know really, but I think it is a nice touch. And over here is the living room. I put two rugs together to make it, I don't know, like long, and to fit all of the furniture that I want rugs to be in here. This is a couch, a U couch, I think, yeah, a C couch actually. And this is the TV. There's some storage boxes because she kept all her luggage here to look around and see if it's actually right for her, you know. And this is the wedding plant, not the wedding plant, but the wedding pictures and stuff. You will see these a lot because this is my favorite decoration. It is also from the wedding event. I really like the wedding event of stuff. They're like really nice, so I put that in. And this is the kitchen area. This is also from the wedding event. I really like the wedding event, so I chose this knife holder, I guess. And this is a kitchen. Yep, we all know that's a kitchen. And this is a clock, a tall grandfather clock. Okay, this is a rug. I really like the rug that leads to the dining table. This is the dining table. Although I didn't need to put that light there, I already did. But this is a chandelier. I actually don't know where to find this because I actually got it from an architect home. Leave me in the comments, just tell me where is this and where did you get this? That's all I wanted to know. But if you know, then tell me, because I don't really know where I got that, where the architect. I just got an architect home. So this is the bathroom over here. Pretty plain, just a shower, a sink, and a toilet. So let's go here. This is the study desk, and it leads to the front porch. And wow, we need to clean that pool. That's really green. I haven't seen this house in a while, so yikes. Okay, anyways, this is the study desk. Yeah, cool. This is actually for, oh, okay, I thought that was for a preteen because I know I put preteen desks in the other rooms. So if you go here, we lead to this room. I wanted to put a chandelier here too, but I don't have another chandelier. But anyways, this is another room. I don't really know what to call it, but there's a TV, there's a computer, and there's a stereo. So technically technology room, I don't really know. But let's go up, or actually let's go down the stairs because we have a basement. And we'll do the top last. So, oh my god, whoa, okay. That's pretty weird. Whoa, okay, what in the world is going on? Oh my god. What just happened? Okay, that was pretty weird, but we got through that. This is another bedroom. I really like how I put the bedroom in the basement because there are some bedrooms in the basement, and this is I think I got this in the desert Ocas. I forgot what to call it, but it's the desert event. And over here again I put the wedding painting because I really like it. Here is, yeah, this is a preteen. Yeah, it's a preteen one, and yeah, it's for preteens and teens. Okay, it's for preteens and teens. And this is a science project, but I really wanted to put it in because it looks cool. This is not for preteens. This is not a preteen room. I just pretend it's like a study desk. So if you go here, this is a bathroom. It has a bathtub, it has a shower, it has a bathroom and a sink. I mean, not a bathroom, a toilet and a sink. So let's go, and then let's go upstairs after she's here. So this is I don't know what to call this either, but we call it openings. I don't know what Sims Freeplay calls it, but I call it an opening. I just made that up because what's going on with the stairs? Jeez, okay, that's pretty weird, but I call it an opening, but some people call it mezzanine. Sorry for pronouncing it wrong. Let me check. These are it, mezzanines. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it right. But over here is a bedroom. Over here is a study desk, and it's also for preteens, but just pretend that people can go on it. So let's just go here. Actually, we don't need to. So let's go to the porch, which I really like. Wow. I like the chairs and the plants. Yeah, that's basically it of the porch. And if you go here, let's go to another one. This is the other guest room. If our lady over here has children, she will make these into kids' rooms, if depending, you know. This is her decorations. I mean, not hers, but the decorations. Again, I put this in. I really like this decoration, so I put it in. And this is another painting from the desert event. And this is a suitcase and a cuckoo clock. Cuckoo clock. And this is a Japanese painting. And over here is just a gaming area, you know. I could have made these bathrooms, but I really wanted to make it more interesting, you know. So I didn't want every room to have a bathroom because, I don't know. And this is a balcony. That's basically it. I really like this one, but I would also like this one too. You know, people are chatting. And anyways, let's go here. I really, really like the entrance. This is the entrance of the grand room. I know I made it a little bit fancy, but if you didn't know, the plants over here is outside. So if you go to a flat ceiling, let's go to a flat ceiling, you'll see that it's actually, yeah, see, it is outside, but I just wanted to point that out, you know, if no one knows what it is. So this is the plants, and then the other plant, you know, making it natural. And this is the master bedroom. I have a jewelry box to make it more, I don't know, I don't know why, but this is another wedding painting. I just wish they had more of these because I really like them. I mean, yeah, I could have put more paintings, but you know, this house is more of a white themed one, but I could have put another white painting, but it's fine. So this is a rug, a blue rug, and that's another preteen desk. I just wish it can be for grown-ups as well, but who cares? This is a beanbag. Okay, we all know that. And this is a chill-out room, so you can see that the bedroom over here has a study desk. The bedroom over here has a chillaxing room, and the master bedroom has both of those. So yeah, but yeah, okay. I thought that was a TV for a second. It is, but whatever. So this is the master bathroom. It's pretty similar to the one in the basement. If I were living in this house, I would have this room for sure to have privacy. I wouldn't have the master bedroom, but I would actually have it because of the, I don't know. But this is the desk, and it's really nice. I really like how it came out together in the entrance, and that's just really nice to me. I don't know about you, but it's really nice. And I put the window in the middle. These are skinny windows, but I put it in, and oh wow, you can see the rich girl. I don't know if this is a rich outfit. It doesn't look that rich, so I tried my best to make it look like a rich person. So that is it. Let's go to the backyard and see what's going on here. Don't mind the pool. She might put some other stuff in, like a recliner or something, but right now she's we're gonna go here. This is actually a sitting area, and if I were her, if I were her, I would always watch the fountain go for hours and hours in the morning, and that's just I don't know why I would do that a lot. And that's a plant. And okay, I don't know what happened there. Full of glitches today. Anyways, this is a plant. I don't really know where to find this because I found it in an architect house and I really like it. Comment down below if you know where you got this, because I have no clue where to get this. So just comment down below where you got it and I'll be happy to figure it out. So that's it for the tour. I hope you like this tour and I hope you like this house. And I wish you a good day. You can like this video if you want to, and you can subscribe. That would be even better. And have a nice day. Thanks for watching.